Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday and time check, it's a little over 9:20, 9:25. And usually Saturday mornings, my wife and I do a morning workout. So we're here at the YouTube studio. We actually have a home here, a space here that's kind of like a home gym. By the way, just to give you guys an update, the home studio is still very messy, still lots of sneakers to unbox. So anyway, the agenda for today is I will be bringing you guys along with me throughout my Saturday, but in between, I'll be sharing with you what my investment strategy is for 2021 or what are my plans in terms of finances. Some of you were asking for that on Instagram, so might as well share it in today's episode. And I'll also be unboxing a brand new pair of kicks that I bought to end the year. So that was like the last pair of kicks, last pair of sneakers that I bought in 2020 to welcome 2021. O, diba? So that said, let's go. By the way, sa lahat ng mga sapatos or of all the sneakers that I've used to work out, this is one of my favorite ones. So this is the Under Armour. I think it's called the Tri-Base something. But yeah, it's really nice. Kind of expensive. And the black and pink color reminds me and my wife of Bret Hart. Ooh, of WWE, WWF. Good job. Boom! Kaway naman! You know. Pasensya na magulo ko. Now, as you guys probably saw in the last episode, nasunugan kami ng merch. So, all of our merchandise for the YouTube channel and Project 721 was pretty much burned down. So, if you haven't watched that video yet, I will link it somewhere up here or down there. Click it, watch it. So, ano ba plano namin now that the merch has burned down? So, 3 steps para lang matuto kayo if ever masunugan din kayo ng store. Nakunood, sana wag mangyari sa inyo yun. But ito plano namin. So number 1, we checked our fire insurance. So we're seeing if we can do a claim on what was lost. So my team is working on that already. Number 2, we're checking kung magkano ba talaga nawala sa amin. We're checking inventory, magkano ba yung actual loss. And then binabangga ko siya sa balance sheet ng kumpanya. In short, tinitingnan ko kung dahil ba nawala lahat yun, wala na kaming pera. Kasi kung wala, then I'll have to infuse more capital or I'll have to liquidate some of the assets so that we could raise capital. So I checked. Sa buting palad naman, sa kabutihang palad, we have enough funds to be able to continue and do another production run. So, thank you sa lahat ng mga bumili ng previous releases namin. That is helping out a lot for us to be able to bounce back. And number 3, it's really to just, keep your head down, keep on grinding, and keep on going. So, those are like the 3 big plans that we have to be able to bounce back that business. Thank you to Crep Protect Philippines for sending me this really nice face mask, di ba? Ganda ng design. Crep Protect, puro logo nila. But anyway, at this point in the vlog, I'll head on up, I'll take a quick shower, and then we'll go to the part where I share with you my investment plan, my investment strategy for 2021. Okay, so, tara! Tiffy! Hi, Tiffy! Tiffy! Dusty! Hi, Dusty! Rumfold! Hi, Rumfold! Oh, morning. And the last sneaker that I bought that we will unbox. This is the last sneaker of 2020. So, unbox natin siya. First unboxing of 2021. So, this sneaker I got from YOLO Manila. So, if you guys haven't seen my YOLO Manila vlog, I will link it somewhere up here. Namimigay din tayo ng gift certificate sa YOLO Manila worth 15,000 pesos. So make sure that you guys watch that video and join the raffle so you have a chance of winning 15,000 pesos that you can spend in YOLO Manila. Now, so you guys can probably see with the logo, this is the Supreme Air Force One in white. So you're probably thinking, Carlo, in-unbox mo na yan dati. You already unboxed the shoe last year. Yeah, but that one was a bit too small. So I thought that a size 12 would work, which is my usual size for Air Force Ones. But for some reason, it was super tight. So masikip siya lalo na dito sa midfoot section. So hindi ko siya nasuot. So I still have it actually. So it's still downstairs. But I wanted to get like talagang tumapon. I wanted to get like a bigger size that I could wear on the regular. So this is the one. So Supreme Air Force One from YOLO Manila. I will be wearing it today. This will be my sneaker of the day. So yun, panalo. nanalo. Yun yung unboxing ko. So guys, check them out, YOLO Manila. I'll link down below to the vlog again. Don't forget, join the raffle. 15,000 pesos in store credit. The draw will be January 15. Okay, so yan, bagong ligo. Diba? So now, as I mentioned earlier, the main topic for today's vlog is my 2021 investment strategy. And this is based on something that most of you keep asking me about, especially on the Project 721 Facebook group. When it comes to investing, it has a lot to do with what your objectives are. And for 2021, I am focused on raising funds. Why am I focused on raising funds? Because 2023 is the turnover of the condo that we have been paying off in BGC. So I bought a condo in BGC, Uptown R, just 3-bedroom apartment, very kind of expensive, big investment for me. And when the turnover happens, obviously, you need to pay like a big lump sum. And apart from the lump sum, you would want to knock off as much on the principal so that yung interest mo monthly hindi sobrang taas. With that in mind, I have a 3-point plan. 3-point plan. So the first is to liquidate and sell expensive stuff that I don't use and add to my investment war chest. So what is that? Kasi every sneaker that I buy that I don't wear is money taken away from my investment war chest. That's the money that I can use, for example, to put up a new business within a 3-year period, or for example, to invest in the stock market, or sabihin natin to buy something that I can flip for a higher price. So the more useless stuff you buy, the more liabilities that you buy, the more things that you buy that you don't necessarily make a profit out of, it drains away from your investment war chest. So I need to liquidate a lot of the stuff that I have that I don't use anymore kasi I need a massive investment war chest in 2021, moving into 2022, and especially heading to 2023. And on that note, expect a lot of sneaker sales and toy sales and maybe even watch sales in the coming months ahead. Plan number 2 is, once I have a bigger investment war chest, is to invest that money in several areas. So number 1 is to invest in companies in the stock market that I feel have good dividends. Ibig sabihin ng good dividends is that they share profits at the end of the year, or quarterly or semi-annually, X% usually yan of what you paid for. Usually yung mga magagandang kumpanya, 5-6%. Some of them go all the way to 10%. So in short, if you have 20 million pesos, sabihin natin, in dividend funds, in dividend stocks, or stocks that provide dividends, sa sabihin mo 10% average, then you'll probably be making, kahit 5%, sabihin ng 20 million, 5%. Then you'll earn 100,000 every month with your money just being in dividend stock. So that's like the thinking behind it. So I want to get into more of that because cash flow for me is critical. Another type of company that I want to invest in the stock market in 2021 are companies that are resilient to the pandemic. Kasi feeling ko, while the vaccine is there, the key insight is the vaccine will not save lives. It's the vaccination. So while we have the vaccine, ano yung vaccination program? How many Filipinos can get vaccinated? Yun yung challenge eh. And without a vaccination program, a strong vaccination program, I'm not sure how fast and quickly companies can bounce back this 2021. So with that said, I will invest my money in companies that I feel have the capital, have the proper strategy, and have the proper management that can weather 2021. And usually you're looking at technology companies, you're looking at sabihin natin mga utilities, you're looking at sabihin natin yung mga makikinabang sa build, you're looking at the essentials, the groceries, the canned goods. Those are the companies that you guys also might want to take a look at in 2021. Number 3, I want to strengthen the businesses that I own. Kasi I have several businesses like what I mentioned, and some of them are performing really well. So if I can raise more funds to pump into that business, to generate more revenue, to generate more money, then once I declare dividends or revenue share in 2023, mas malaki yung potential, di ba? So in short, the more money goes into useless stuff, sabay nakatingin sa likod din, the more money is taken away from my investment fund. So I need to lessen buying useless stuff, and I need to just keep on building a big fund so that when the opportunities come, when the opportunities present themselves, I am ready. Now, you're probably thinking, Carlo, how do I get started? How do I get started investing? When it comes to investing, there are like prerequisites. Ito yung tips ko para sa inyo. And this is something that I learned from personal finance experts such as Marvin Guermo, Chinkitan, Randall Chongshon. Shout out to all three. I'll link down below to their YouTube channels. Make sure you guys check them out. Yung unang-una sa lahat, bago ka pa makapag-invest mag-invest, kailangan meron kang emergency fund. So what is an emergency fund? Think of what is your monthly expense, compute nyo how much monthly do you usually spend, and then multiply that by, I don't know, 6. So you need 6 months worth of emergency fund in your bank account that you will not touch. It is for emergencies, it is for rainy days. Now, with the pandemic, I would actually recommend that you guys save at least 12 months emergency fund before you even think of investing. Kasi ganun kahirap ang ano ngayon ganun ka-unpredictable ang buhay ngayon. So the bigger the investment fund, the bigger the emergency fund, the better. And sabihin natin kulang ang pera para makapag-save, then you need to consider augmenting your income. How do you augment your income? Baka pwede kayo sumideline, baka pwede kayo rumakit, baka pwede kayo magtayo ng negosyo. Nung nasa first few years ako nagtatrabaho, nagbebenta ako ng packed meal sa office to be able to raise for my emergency fund. Bibili kami ng mga chicken nuggets and then we would cook it at home, then we would sell it to our office mates. That's how you hustle back then without flipping shoes. You sell food. But anyway, so yun yung pwede nyong isipin. What would be the side hustles that you guys can consider getting into? Or if sabihin natin ayaw nyo talaga mag-side hustle, gusto nyo lang career your main source of income ninyo, if your job pays low, then you might want to consider getting a higher paying job. But how do you do that? Take a look at your skill set. Kung yung skill set mo, low paying skills, di malamang sweldo mo low. Pero kung yung skill set mo, high paying skills, then yung sweldo mo pwede maging high. Diba? So take a look at what skills that you have. If wala ka ng mga high paying skills, then invest in yourself. Learn what those skills are. Take classes, pay for them, kasi in the long run, malaking bagay yan. Nung ako, when I invested in myself to learn digital marketing, social media marketing, a bit of programming, a bit of design, yun talaga yung nag-propel ng career ko forward. Now, after you have your investment fund, the next step is for you to wipe out your debt. Kasi mahirap mag-invest kung malaki utang mo. So when you have debt, that is a priority. Try to pay it off, negotiate with your debtors or creditors, whatever you call them, and try to pay it off first before you even get into investing. Kasi mahirap, lalo yung bad debt. I'm talking about yung mga debt for credit cards, debt that don't necessarily help you make more money. Those are the debts that you have to pay ASAP. And lastly, once you've done those two, you've raised an emergency fund, you've eliminated or at least minimized your debt, that's the time you get into investing. And when it comes to investing, doon na yung sobrang daming instruments that you can look into. You can look into stock market, you can look into business, you can look into properties, you can look into investing into side hustles. There's so many things that you can invest in. And that will actually be the topic of a vlog that I'm working on that will come out within this week, this coming week, which is like, I don't know, like 10 investment ideas for 2021. And I hope that's something that you guys can learn from and it helps you hustle this 2021. Anyway, so that's actually it. That's actually the vlog for today. Funny thing, by the way, I shot this entire episode on my phone. So I have two big cameras over there. Kita niyo yun? Dalawang Canon camera na hindi hindi ko naman ginamit. So this entire episode was shot on my phone on a selfie stick with a microphone. So it just goes to show na at the end of the day, it's not the equipment, it's the story or the message that you have to share. But anyway, that's it for now. Guys, don't forget to join our giveaways. I hope you're all having a great start to 2021. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.